As a business owner, you work incredibly hard to make sure you have successful launches and sales, right? We're talking the big ones like Black Friday, but also new product launches. Once you rock those launches and sales, how do you keep customers coming back? How do you create happy, engaged, loyal customers? It's all about adding value. You got a new customer thanks to a new product launch. Start building a relationship and adding value through an intentional onboarding campaign. Consider weekly tips that share a thoughtful idea or snippet of education. What about a series of messages that check in with your customer, making sure their order arrived and that they know how to use it? If you need an example or instructions on how to set this up, be sure to check out our Automating Order Follow-Up mini-series on Web School. The link's in the description for you. Are you ready to totally change your customer care game? Sign up for Project Broadcast like yesterday. Ask a friend for a referral code to get 50% off your first month, or just go ahead and use our Web 50 code. Happy broadcasting.